this is the last technical analysis. This is the last technical analysis we'll do for this week, for week 3, going into week 4 of September. We're going to look at not a pair right now, not a forex pair. We're going to look at an index, which is NAS 100, the NASDAQ 100. A lot of people know about. This is the tech sector. Let's take a look. This is the NASDAQ. You can see in the weekly time frame, price was consolidating here. What's going on, and it's now it's not moving. But when it get here, price did this. It's make a higher high, low, and it's run to the top. You see this? Now what happened? From that point on, price being stay here between these weekly level. So we are in an uptrend if you are with me, but this is an uptrend in the weekly time frame. Price been consolidating between these two, this support and this resistance. Price been doing this. So let's look at the daily time frame. All right, daily. All right, let's remove this so we can see the daily time frame. Daily, almost the same history here. Price is, let's bring it in. Let's do this so we can see price is an uptrend. You can see the 100, the 50 EMA, 100 and 200 EMA line up for the price to continue to go up. As you can see, there's a consolidation right here in this area right here. Price when it was going up, come here, it's meet the support, and it's come back, go up, it's come back down, retrace, it come up, it stop again as the in that area of resistance. This time it price pull down, come back up, and price come down to this level. Can price do this? Come back to that level, test this before it goes to the top. That's what we are looking at. So last week price continued to go down, but we can see here, look at price, look at what happened in the daily time frame. It give us a pin bar. Can that be a signal that price will continue to go down? Most likely because it's close at the daily resistance, and I don't trust that pin bar right here. You see it? I don't trust it. It's a good pin bar, but usually that might be a fake one. All right. So price might come here and do. If I'm buying here, that you might be able to take a risk, right, and put a stop loss that is probably around that below here. If you're gonna take it, go when you go in the lower time frame. We're gonna look at that. If it's tell us that if we're gonna take it to make to do something here, that's a lot of pips. So we can't just take it. This is a daily time frame, so that might happen. What we see here, so we have to respect the daily time frame. Can it do the opposite? Of course it can. Okay, so price might do this and then come back to test it. Of course price might do it, but we are on an uptrend, so we have to look at that. Let's go down to the 4-hour time frame to see what we see. This is now, I can see now in the smaller time frame what happened. See, we see in the 4-hour time frame price is been going bearish, but even though you see in the on the 4-hour time frame price been going down. This is the last low. This low, wow, okay, it's been consolidating between here and here and here and here, and it's break it and make a low that is lower than this low here, and make a high that's lower. Okay, so now in the 4-hour time frame, we see, do you see what we see here when it's break it? Look at the transition here, the 50 EMA bend down, cross. Now, here you see it cross the 200 EMA, the 100 EMA cross to come down, and it start to line up the 50, 100, and 200 EMA is down. So what are we expecting then? So um, let's look at what might happen. So price was here, break that to bring down here. It's come up here. I know now we know why it's stop right here. Come back. Can it give us a double bottom and here and continue to come back and test this? Of course, and come back to test that. That's possible. Okay? Or it might continue to go up. Okay? Or it might do that. So don't forget what we it might come back here to test this. Right? So but it might do that as well. So what we want to see in the lower time frame when we go to 1 hour or 30 minutes, we have to find a confirmation right here. Right now, there's no confirmation in the 4 hour time frame. So next week, when price open, we want to see price open here, go a little bit lower down in price to come some candlestick to come here, bullish candlestick to confirm that price will continue to go up. If it's give us confirmation for the double bottom, then we can get in. This is in the 4 hours, but let's go to 1 hour time frame. You see that? So can it be possible? It might be possible, but we don't know. We're not sure. Can it break this? Of course it can. See, there's a pinch bar again here. You can see it struggled to go up. It's close here, but we have to. The EMAs are going in order to go continue to go bearish. We have to look at NAS to see what's news gonna happen, what's gonna happen in the news to see if it's gonna continue to go lower or is it gonna reverse to come to the double bottom. We need confirmation here. Good. If I find a pin bar, bullish pin bar, that's go down, push up, close up here somewhere, then we'll say, we got the confirmation we're looking for. Then we can go, take it and go up with it. And if we buy it here, okay, if we buy it here, let's say we take a trade or somewhere around here for about 100 pip or 125 pip. So what we have to do, we have to probably give a good 100 people over here itself. So that way we can protect our loss if it's reverse, if it continue to go down, or wait for it to go up here. Or we might do this. You might come here, take a short trade. When it get up here, we might sell it because it might do this and continue to go down. Okay, so if that's a possibility, and then continue to go down from there. All right. So this is why we do analysis. So we know what to expect, what to look for. That's when we can take shorter trade. We don't have to take long trade, but at least we can do 50, 75 pip, 90 pip, 100 pip here and there. And then if we got 100 pip for the day, then we're good. Come back to testing. Okay. So pay attention for next week. So we are looking at all these great forex pair and NAS100 to see what's going to happen in the market this week. And everybody, listen, I am a student of Explosion Trading Academy. The website is www.eta25pips.com. I'm going to put it in the description below. Check them out, take a look at it, give them a call. They can help you. Everything I'm doing here, from the basic to what I'm learning and sharing with you, they put it together for me. They can do it. You can help them. They can help you to do what I do. They can help you to become a consistent trader. And they help me, and I know they are one of the best one out there.